Today we have some very, very important things to do. In fact, probably one of the most important things I'll ever do in the history of my business. And let's get coffee. Breakfast. We're gonna go monkey around in the jungle and do a little hiking and escape the world of business and enter the world of waterfalls. So listen guys, the thing about real estate is there's moving parts and people and there's always so much going on and it's always interconnected. Kind of like this tree. There's just like a lot going on. And everybody's monkeying around and we're trying to get business done.
Oh, hey there. Here I am on top of a waterfall, beneath another waterfall. Just a typical day in Hawaii. You know, when we do business, we'll actually sometimes bring our laptops and our computers up here and all our paperwork, and we'll just get it all done in a nice, serene setting. Okay, check this out. That Aumakua and Mo'ua Street, the one that with the beautiful ocean and the one with the really nice view of Pearl City. So those two houses, actually, Aumakua on the market for 3 days, full price offer, sold. Owner, I met with him last night to sign off, and he's just like, holy shit, Devin, like I tried to sell this thing for 6 months and nothing. Here we are, a full price offer. And I was like, that's how we do it. And he's like, nice job, man. And Mo'ua Street, so that's the one where the owner was like, Devin, 30 days, close this before the end of the year. I need this as a tax write-off. And I was just like, holy shit, Iffy, okay, let's do it. Got into gear, got everything done, started going above and beyond. 2 days later, after she said that, full price offer, close in 30 days, all cash offer, super stoked.